New girl tag update. Cosmetics. That. Let's go check out cosmetics. Four's lava.
Guys, I fixed Steam.
Slingshot.
I fixed my Steam.
This is cool.
Good job.
Either one we have to put. Oh yeah, bird.
Go. Congratulations.
I have a
Let's see how these.
I'll pick it up for you.
Let's see. Bird. Next.
Thank you. Hey, put the soundboard. I'll put the soundboard.
What's this?
Have it now. It'll be nice. It'll be nice. And it'll be nice and warm.
I have.
I can't.
That's cool. Wait. Oh.
Okay, hang on.
Oh. Fire. Then you got this.
Wait, Sign, you have something there. You have something.
Then you got this hammer.
No.
How about this?
Wait, you. Wait, you have something there.
Nope.
Okay, hang on.
Can you give me a sec? Okay, now let's go check out the update. I'm sure there's like something about lava. Let's go check it out. 3, 2, 1. Oh, can you? Oh my gosh!
Hey, thank you.
Bro, oh, it's cool. Hey, what do we do with rocks? You put. What about the rocks in the volcano?
Yeah, I'm helping you fill this up.
This is my first time going to this update.
I'll help you fill this up.
Oh, it goes up. We're gonna be playing one match of this. Oh! I don't get it. What's happening? Nothing's happening. Nothing's happening, bro. Oh, nothing's happening. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, my gosh.
Alright, start.
Bro.
Oh, you're so trash at this game.
Tagging you.
You're so trash. Get away, you trash. Oh my god.
I'm tagging you, monkey.
Okay, that's pretty decent update. But, oh, you got tags. Oh, I don't know why I was looking at something else, but yeah. So that was the whole update, I guess. Everything else.
I found the monkey.
Bye.